Welcome back to ClearTask. If your Chai app isn't working, crashing on startup, or just refusing to open, you are in the right place. Today, I will walk you through the most effective, updated troubleshooting methods to get it back up and running smoothly. Let's dive straight in. First, try force stopping the app. Sometimes the application just needs a hard reset. If you are on Android, go to your phone settings, open the apps menu, and locate the Chai app. Tap on it and select Force Stop. For iOS users, simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app switcher, and swipe the Chai app upwards to close it completely. Next, you will want to clear the app's cache. This removes corrupted temporary files that often cause glitches. On Android, stay in the Chai app settings, tap on Storage, and hit Clear Cache. Make sure not to click Clear Data unless you are okay with logging back in. If you are on an iPhone, you can go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, select the Chai app and tap Offload app, then reinstall it. After that, verify that your application is fully updated. Outdated versions are prone to bugs and server connection issues. Head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Chai, and check for any available updates. If you see an update button, tap it. Another quick fix is to simply restart your device. It sounds basic, but restarting your phone refreshes the entire system and resolves most lingering software conflicts. If you have tried all of these methods and it is still not working, your final option is to completely uninstall the app and download a fresh copy from your app store. And that is it. Your Chai app should now be working perfectly. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to ClearTask for more quick professional tech solutions, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next one.